So this is it.
Wow, look at this thing. And this is that cover you were talking about.
Yes, MasterSpas manufactures our own covers. We don't job it out. In Fort Wayne, Indiana, we actually make these covers to fit the tubs. And also, remember we talked about the safety of the tub? These are your safety locks right here. And our crew will attach them to the polymer skirt. So you'll have a set of keys to lock it down. And then I'm gonna let you go ahead and feel how well these covers fit the tub.
Okay, I'd love to give it a try.
Go for it.
Oh, good butter.
That's a seal, right?
Oh my goodness.
All right, so you did it. Now, you notice when you broke the seal on that, what's the first thing you felt?
I feel that warmth.
Right,
oh
the
my
radiant
goodness.
heat, we don't lose it. That is when a hot tub like MasterSpas is insulated so well. We use an icynene-like foam, which is the parallel that I like to tell people, it's like a giant Yeti. Right? Because Yeti is known for not losing temperature, hot or cold. So if you look at the parallel of that, that's kind of like a thermos, which is a urethane foam. MasterSpas hand sprays the insulation on these. It'll never lose its R rating, whereas a thermos will actually go hot or cold because it can't hold it. The R rating is what keeps the temperature hot or cold, so we will never lose the R rating, and you just felt that coming out of the tub, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over on the cover. We have these additional pieces, but I'm just going to show you the ease of use on this cover. You can just stay right there. I just want you to feel how light those are when you lifted it, right?
It was.
So we have a 300-pound snow load on these. You can walk on them. Your kids, I don't recommend it, but you can walk on it, right? Which is awesome. So I'm going to open this up. You'll see some breathers in here so the condensation doesn't go up into the foam. Now, critically important step that MasterSpas does, all this density foam is hand sealed like a giant food saver. So it's sealed and the moisture cannot get to the foam. The answer to that is you're going to get many, many more years out of your cover than most manufacturers even come close to. And then we've got a cover lifter on this, which I'm just going to use a couple fingers and I'm going to open this up like that and lift it. Okay.
Oh, wow.
You got towel racks here. This cover lifter right here is an actual little hydraulic piston. So I can use 2 fingers, get it to about 11 o'clock right here and just let it go.
Oh man, it did the work for you.
Right. And then if I would go up and literally I'm just using 2 fingers and that's it. This is it. What do you think of the Twilight 7.2?
I think it looks beautiful.
It's a little different, right? When you see water in it.
It does. That light is really vibrant without water bouncing off.
So now we're making that connection, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite you actually to get in it. You ready?
I am.
All right. So let me look and see what temperature we're sitting at right here. All right. You're about ready to step into 100 degrees.
Wonderful. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited.
Got it. I'm glad you wore a wrap today because check this out. We got an integrated towel rack right here into the cover lifter. And you're going to sit in the neck and shoulder seat, right? Awesome. What's your first reaction? Because right now you're in the ergonomically designed headrest, right?
Yes. I'm really surprised because a lot of times water just ends up like at my nose.
Yeah. So at 5'2", you're sitting in a 38-inch tall tub and a very deep seat, but it's the way the molds are met and they're built to design. So I'm really thrilled to see that. So right now you're at 100 degrees. How's that feel?
It feels really, really nice. It's not too hot. It's perfect.
Right. Just so you know, this will go to 104 if your husband likes it a little bit hotter. But we're sitting at 100 degrees and this is a really comfortable place to be. Obviously, you can change the colors on everything. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to pump 1 right now. And as you're sitting there, okay, and I'm going to turn pump 1 on. And you're going to see this fire up on the first speed of the lounge. So now I'm going to go to the second speed on that. Now remember, we're just isolated on the lounge.
Yeah.
And remember I mentioned it about impellers. So I'm going to open up the air injector. And these are true air injected hot tubs. Okay. So we're moving as much water as possible with the size pumps that we use. And if I want to do that, I can take it off, I can take it down. But you're sitting there in the lounge and you're still feeling that water kind of slowly come around to your body. Really, really unique way that MasterSpas builds these so we can divert the water all the way around the hot tub. So now I'm going to go with these touch and turn controls. I'm going to turn pump 1 off and we're going to let it settle for a moment. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here as it settles and I am going to take the water and divert it from over here. And I'm going to have you sit here for just a moment. There you go. Now, you see the foot massagers that we talked about earlier?
Yes.
Now, put your feet up there, all right? We're still on pump 1, and we're going to the speed 1. Okay, now I'm going to divert the water to your feet, and you're going to feel it here in a second, right there.
That feels so nice.
But now we're going to take it to the next level, because the versatility of these Master Blasters allows you to do that.
Oh, that feels really good.
That's awesome, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, that is awesome. And you're a runner, so you really appreciate this.
I do, yeah. My feet really needed this today.
Because you're going to get that inflammation just start lowering in your body, and that's what happens when that water is moved at such a high rate of speed. That's true hydrotherapy on your body, which is what we really, truly focus on at MasterSpas. Now I'm going to take pump 1 and completely turn it off. And I'm going to invite you back over to the neck and shoulder seat. Okay? And I'm just going to, you can go ahead and put your hair wherever you want it. Okay? Now, when I turn this on, you're going to get a lot of power on your neck, right? So I'm going to go to pump 2. And your waterfall is going right now too, right? So I'm going to just go ahead and take the waterfall, see how I'm controlling that. So if you want to have a little relaxation and trickle down. So that's pump 2, which we are now isolated to the neck and shoulder therapy. If you chose to do it, I can turn pump 1 on so you or your husband can actually get your neck and shoulder massage and your back like it's happening right now, and your feet at the same time.
Oh.
So what I'm gonna do over here, Allison, is I'm just gonna turn this open for you. Oh, sorry, did your hair, sorry.
You're fine. That feels so great.
How's that feel?
That feels awesome. That feels really nice on my neck and shoulders.
And that I like that hyper high intensity with Peter Jet, because it gives that really high volume on your shoulder. It's very unique.
It is.
It seems to be very, very well liked by a lot of people. So what I can do now is I can take pump 2 and completely turn it off. And now I can take the water, if you just want to relax, I can divert it completely over to this side of the tub and go back to pump 2, and you just want to relax over there. You can do that. But now you have no neck and shoulder on. You want to turn the waterfall on, that's great. You can turn it off. But now I've got another impeller here that I'm going to open up. So at some point, if you want to, you can have pump 1, pump 2, your family's over, your kids are enjoying it. Everybody can get as much out of this tub as they want, or as little as they want, by just simply controlling the jets in each and every seat. That's what makes this super appealing. What do you think overall? Like, you're in it now.
Oh, I'm in it. Yeah, I'm in the zone. It's a vibe.
Yeah? So how do you feel about this? I know we talked about it. We saw the wet model. Now we have the dry model. You've made the transition from what it looked like dry to now what it looks like literally with the pumps on. My question is, what do you think?
I think I'm ready to take it home.
You ready? Oh, we're going to surprise everybody, right?
Yes.
I'm thrilled that you love it. True confession, I knew you would, but it's super, super fun to watch people really, really get the most out of the hot tubs. So my question is, what do you really feel about it?
Bill, I love this one, but I love that color up in the showroom, that smoky fountain gray. Yeah,
You want that one?
I love that.
That's our last one. You can have it.
Oh, I'd love to. Yeah.
That's awesome. You got it.